Let's think. All back together. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching XKGLOW. Guess what has returned? The bumper, back from paint. It's looking nice and fresh. You can see no more hitch impression. I'm happy with the results, and now we are going to reassemble this bumper. If you didn't see the disassembly, links above. It's where we got the bumper taken apart and sent out and prepped for paint. The first thing we're going to do is, from the splitter being removed, there is a bunch of excess 3M tape. So we need to get this taken off and cleaned up so that we can reinstall the front splitter. But we're gonna get all the grills and the nicely treated black plastics again. If you've never seen the video on how I made the plastics black, links above, go watch. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, hit the like button. But let's start with getting this cleaned up on the bottom, and then we'll start putting the grills in. We got all the tape cleaned off. I told the painter not to worry about all these scratches, because once the front lip's on here, you can't see this anyway. Now we will get the black grill pieces reinstalled. One thing I didn't show you guys was I actually took the reflectors out of these holes because I didn't like the orange. So I actually ordered some brand new clear ones. So after we put the grill pieces in, we'll put these clear reflectors in. These were simple, really simple to get out. All I did was heated this from the backside, and then once it was warm enough, it actually peeled off the 3M glue, and then I just cleaned the 3M from around the hole. So very simple to get off, and I think this is going to be much nicer in the white bumpers. Links below for these reflectors. Very simple process. Just line up your grill pieces again. Make sure they're all lined up in the slots. And just press fit so they snap back into place. One piece in. And now we can put this black plastic piece back in as well. The bolts are T25 Torx. 1, 2. I just started them first so that I can make sure that they were all lined up appropriately, and then we'll tighten them down. So before I put this fastener in, I think it's going to get a way of installing the reflector, so we're going to do that first. Well, what do you guys think? Very simple to put on. Just peeled off the 3M tape, stuck it down, and then I heated it with a heat gun just to make sure that it's going to adhere properly. Got those grills in, got the front grill in, and those sides. All the grills are back in. Looks good. So now we'll get the front splitter put back on. I got some new hardware, washers, bolts. If you watched the preparation for paint video, you will know that a lot of these heads of these bolts were actually ground right off, and I had to drill a lot of these out because there was nothing left to grab onto. So let's put this front bumper back up on the boxes, and then we can get to reinstalling the front splitter. We got the front splitter bolted down, as you guys just watched. Now we are going to get the rods put on here. I got some new rods so I can actually change the ends, because what has happened is from the pin sticking through, it's basically almost shaved down the entire nut. I can show you right here. There is what the nut looks like, and there is what is left. Not very much. So I'm gonna change these ends, and then hopefully we'll get another season out of these. I only have to change the two ends, so then I'll actually have a spare set to use when these ones are all ground down again. Let's think. All back together. Splitter bars back on. Splitter bolted on. Grills in. Back to black. Super shiny. I'm super happy with the results. What do you guys think of the neon accents on the splitter bars? And then they'll be on the crossbars behind these kidney grills. The neon accents on the actual lip itself. Let me know. Drop a comment below. We're gonna end the vlog here today. Next we will actually get the bumper installed onto the car, but it took a little longer than I anticipated on putting this all back together, and I just really took my time, made sure all the bolts were nice and done, made sure the lengths of the splitter bars were perfect so the front lip sits nice and level. If you want to know how to make this front lip, links above. It's one of my most popular videos actually. But like that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.